Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejela Rakkam sangma ula penting kena bagi Sorkar kan cimkia hakabaidai bat ki Kynrum Kynram hak skol Pain Mount. Kamtam halo kejing dawa kino hikai bat ki kena skol bandawa ban weng no ya ke principal jong kene ke skol. Rakkam sangma ula ong bahadin bule simti kumu Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ula yo pediang ya ka Kaiphod jing toket halor ka Kynrum Kynram hak skol Pain Mount. Bat menta udang syong bishar benia ekne ka Kaiphod bat nsale ek badan kam na gebenta ka bha kamiat jong ka skol bat ke Sorkar ke don ke jing sokya ya ki ke belaja ha kene ka skol ha ka senam ke balalet ha ka bedai ba ke jing dawa ban weng no ek principal jong ka skol menteri ula ban biang da ke boong ba ke Sorkar kadang khmih benia ek Kaiphod ban pentikna ba ka jing long jing man ha ka skol kan long ke babiang halor ke jing keno bakladon ke jing penan kam bakla ek pisa jong ka skol Uni Menteri Sorkar uloong ba umpat dan jeng tip ke babenia henry na kebenta ke jeng mentoy jeng ke skol unsele ke badan kam na kebenta ke buram jeng ke skol ke bapau nam ha kejela. Rakkam sangma uloong baya mentahi kidang khmih benia ke Kaiphod bat ladalap AA kin ie bet ha kaan bahkan le ke badan kam.
Yes, we have the department has received the inquiry report and we are examining it. And the department will do the needful for the interest of the school, and we are very much concerned. So it shouldn't have been happened. What I feel, because it's schools which where we give the best education, best character for our children. So this is unfortunate, but we have got the report and we are working on it and we are examining it, and maybe in next 1 month we will come out. Come out the formalities, what is to be done.
Like the demand of the students and including the teachers is to remove the principal. What is the stand of the government on this?
No, we are still examining the report. It's not about removal or reinstatement. We are working on it how to make the school good environment, because the school is the institution where the good environment to be built to be there, because in the such institution where only our children are being taught, are being groomed, so I think that environment has to be created well. But for the interest of the institution, we are working on it, because it's one of the prestigious institutions of the state, and we are proud of it, and there are many alumni. We have good personalities have been produced from this institution and working very, very seriously for the interests of this such institution.
If anyone is found to misuse the fund of the school, will action be taken against him or not?
Let us first give us some time. We'll go to the report. If anything of that kind, I think the law will take its own course.
Ha kawai pat kaliang Rakkam sangma uloong bakum menteri bat baka Sorkar jela kidan ke jing temu ban treshitom bat ban syem ki senjam na gebenta ban kentio ya ke Pulih Putih ha kejela na gebenta ka baha kamiat jokino hikai ki samla pulih bat kiwe-kiwe uloong bamenta kidang penkre ki senjam ban penthamai bat kentio ya ke Pulih Putih hapo ke jing alam menteri rang ba kejela.
Megalans, we have the bright potential, we have the brilliance, the sons and daughters of the state. Yes, there are always room for improvement. We are working on it, and we are working on a well-putting manner how we can improve, how we can bring up the standard of our education sector for the interest of each one of us, be it teacher community, be it the students, be it the parents community. So working on it, how to revamp the structure of our functioning of the education scenario in the state. Our Honorable Chief Minister is so very serious, committed enough to revamp and to structure and to do the needful for the interests of the state, especially in education.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.